Yeah, wait, one more time.
Good job! You're doing awesome! Good job! Good job!
Hey, running. I'm stupid. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Oh, Mom's out here somewhere.
Oh, she finished?
No, she's out here somewhere.
Oh, okay.
She said out there.
Hey, happy Thanksgiving.
I was a little tired this morning.
Yeah, I can tell. Yeah, she's chugging along.
Didn't get a good opportunity to memorize the song. So I can't exactly. Oh, yeah, that's right. Wait, is that? There they are. No. Is that them? No. That's not Mama. Good job. And my asses. It was good. I was skeptical. I haven't seen the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th. And it ended on a cliffhanger because it's like a 2-part movie, I guess.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. There's tons of movies I want to see. I haven't seen. That was the first time I went to go see a movie in over a year. Yeah. Oh, right. I didn't see. Yeah. She carries something. Yeah, that's the. Yeah. Why did you stick them in your shirt? Yeah, it was pretty cold down there. I remember that because you guys are in the shade.
And I pulled my iPod and like trying to wake up.
I saw everybody walking down there.
Yeah, I don't know.
Just
Hold on for a while. You got it.
got a chance, I gotta have you. How are you?